Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss Team, a Microsoft product for collaboration. Before going to a team, I want to ask you, are you using WhatsApp, Skype or Zoom, etc.? Hopefully you will be well aware about WhatsApp. So how you are using WhatsApp? In WhatsApp you call to your friends, your colleagues. You also can make a group calls. You share your files on the WhatsApp group. You create groups, and in these group, for example, if you are going to create a group for classes, you add the teacher as an admin and the learner, the student, as a member there. So the teacher can communicate with the learners, but the learners will not be able to communicate. So these tools such like WhatsApp is a best application for collaboration. So with the availability of WhatsApp and other social application, why we should use Team, why we should migrate toward MS Team. So the MS Team is very powerful application comparatively to the WhatsApp, Skype and Zoom, etc. So what type of empower it means? It means that the Microsoft Team is an application which enhances the communication comparatively to the other application. For example, it allow you a role as a member, as a admin, as a guest, etc. If you want to make a video call from here, or if you are going to conduct any seminar, any conference, then it provides a very reliable communication, a very quality communication to you. And secondly, it allows you to share files, and the best quality of the team is, as I said to you, that we use this for collaboration. It allows you to collaborate on files. For example, you upload the MS Word file to the team, and you allow your colleagues, your partner, to add something to that. Then they will be able to edit it. Or for example, you have created a performer in MS Excel and you have uploaded it on the Microsoft Team. Then it facilitates you all your team to aid their data in this particular performer. So instead of requiring data, calling data from individually, and after that wasting days to integrate this data into one file, it will instantly work. So this empower you. And second, it is real-time collaboration. As I said, it facilitates you to call a real-time meeting. You can personally call to someone, and it provide you it facilitates you for integration. There are number of application which you can integrate with the Microsoft Team. For example, you can integrate the forms in it, you can integrate the MS Office, other related files we will discuss in detail, etc. And it gives you a reliable security. In short, we can say that the Microsoft Team empowers you. Either you are a teacher, either you are a leader, either you are managing any other business, Microsoft Team empower you. Microsoft Team will manage your all these activities automatically. So this is Team. If we talk about MS Team, then how we can use it, then you can use it from 3 platforms. You can use it from the browser. As you can see that teams.microsoft.com, I have accessed the Team from the browser. You can download it, it's desktop application. It is also available from the Ubuntu and other operating system, and you can also use it from your mobile phones, and there you will need to install the application. This is the interface of the Team. When you open it from the browser or you download the desktop version, definitely the desktop version is most better than the browser option, because it facilitates more than the browser. In the you can see the nan dart, the ellipses here. This gives you the option of other Microsoft application related to the team, and in the left tab you can see different option. This is the activities. Activity means what are the related activities going on at this time. Okay, this is about the chat, what recently chat is going on, and this will show my team which I have created, or where I have been added. For example, this is the induction training, this is my school, and these are the two teams which I have been added there. And assignment, if some assignment is given to you to do, then all the assignment will be shown here, or if you have given the assignment, all there will be shown there. And similarly, this is a calendar show your engagement with MS Team. For example, there are some meetings which have been scheduled and I have been added as a participant, as a member. So you can also create any meeting from calendar. And if you want to make call, then you can directly search any member and call to them. This is the basic interface. You can see these are the few: activity, chat, team, assignments, calendar, and call, etc. Particularly we will start about team, that how we can create our team for our institution. But before that, let's start. If you want to see your profile from here, you can manage your account from there, and the ellipses show you the setting. And if you want to download the mobile or desktop app, then you can also download it. So let's start from the team, because it is a team, and we will learn how to create a team for our institution. For example, I'm going to create a team, or I am going to join any team. Then join or create team tab is there. We will click on it. When you will click on that, such like options will be available. Join a team with the code. If someone give you a code to join her team, then you will simple add the code here. Okay, and if you want to create your own team, then you will click on the create team. Once you will click on the create team, you can create a class. You can professional learning community, for example, the team which is created for the teachers, and the staff, the team which you create of your school teachers or any other organization employees, to manage them accurately. So these are the three options. Usually we create class, or usually we create the staff. So okay, for example, I'm going to create a class. After that, it will ask about the name, if you want to give a description, etc. and similarly. But instead of creating a task, a class, I'm bringing you directly to one of my team, induction training, which I have created for my trainees. So in the team, for example, you have created a team. If you haven't created, pause this video there. First create your team as I instructed you. Join or create a team. Click on the create team. One thing I will clear here: if you have permission from your organization, then you will be able to create a team such like that. Otherwise, when you will, I assume that you have created a team for class or for your staff. And if you want to manage this, click on that, and once you click on that, you can see there are channels there. There are some insights. If you want to grade them, grading will be there. If you are going to assign some work to them, assignment will be shown there, and class notebook where they can write anything. First we'll go about the management of this class. So we click on these ellipses and go to our manage team. In the manage team, members, all the members will be shown here. These are the owners of this class, and these are the members of this class. As you use your words, the administrator, the admins of the group are able to post, delete something, or remove, or add some participants. and the members of the group usually read the things, and they don't have such like facilities. So these are the honors, these are the members, and if you are honored, then you can change any member to the honor. You can do all that. And if you want to add some a member, you just click on the add, and if you are going to add students, then you have to write the name of the student there, and if you want to add teacher, then you have to write the name of the teacher there. And if someone send request to you, then request will be shown there. Channel, for example, I have created one, the general channel. General channel means that every member of the induction training will be there. And I have created one channel for the CRs. Okay, when I will call in general, when I will post something in a general, it will be shown to everyone. But when I will call or paste something in the CR channel, then the members who are added to the CR will be able to access, and all the other member who are not the part of the CR can access it. So we are going to add another channel. For example, I am going to add any channel, and this channel I am going to create one discipline community. Okay, DIS. I have created that. And is it if you want to accessible it to everyone, then you should click on the standard. And if you want to be private, so it shouldn't be shown to everyone, then you should click on the private after that text. Okay, and the channel will be added, and usually we add some member there. For example, I am going to add some member there. Okay, and after that I click on done. So the discipline is created, this discipline channel is created. How we can use it in our organization? For example, if you have created a team for your class, for example the 10th class, or from any other thing, then we will create channel for different subject. For example, I will create a channel for computer science, I will create for Islamic studies, I will create for English, Urdu, etc. So every teacher will be engaged in particular channel, and the students will also be engaged with particular subject in a particular channel. So this create very easiness for the learners. Once again, toward the team management, this was pending request, this was channel, and check little bit setting of that. In the setting, you can create theme, member permission, what they can do and what they cannot, and etc etc. The one thing which I want to tell you, which is a team code, and if you want to add something there, if you want to some one there, then you can create a team code, and you send this team code to your friends, or if you are conducting any session, then you can show this in a so you can show this like that, and the participant will enter this code, and all will be added to your team. And do you allow the fun stuff, for example different type of emojis, notes and tags, etc. Okay, so this was basic setting. Let's check the analytics, and analytics show that about the members, how they are engaged in the team, how they are working. Okay, and apps shows that the apps which we are using in the applications, and this is about tags. This is not related. So members is about member, they may be honor, they may be a general member. Pending request, if someone sent to request to you, and channels which you create in your team. Setting, if you want to setting, this is exactly the setting which you set your group in the WhatsApp or on the Facebook, etc., and where you do setting related to member, etc., and this shows the analytics. Okay, so this is this was basic about team, and let's go toward the general. And if I post something in the general, for example I am writing to hi, then this hi message will be sent to every member. But for example I am going to click in a CR, and there I just write hi, then this will be only for the person who are in the CR channel. And if you want to have a meeting with the journal, then click on the journal, click on the meeting, and the meeting will be start with the journal. Okay, when we start usually meeting, do you use the video or audio, etc.? Just simply click on the join now, then the meeting will be linked. Okay, you can click on the member there. Only I'm there because no one is there. And if you want to share the link, then you just copy this link and share this to the meeting, or by the WhatsApp group, or by email, or by message, to invite your teachers. And I'm ending this meeting. I will cover this in detail, that how we can conduct a meeting. And if you are going to conduct a meeting with your CR, click on the CR and click on the meet to meet them. Next thing about these groups are that how we can share files with them. To share files with them, click on file. This will give you option to upload the file. Yes, here you can upload any file. You can also create in a new document. For example, if you want to create in a new document, click on new. For example, I'm creating a Word file, and the Word document is suggestion. I want to get some suggestion from my teachers. So this is created. So I have created that. Now all the members of the team will be able to access this, and they will be able to add their own plan, and all the file separately will be saved on my OneDrive. You can also upload any existing file, and if you want to synchronize the MS team with your computer, for example, if you want to save all this data, all this shared data on your computer also on the cloud, then you will click on the synchronize. You can download it, you can also add any the cloud storage, but the important things are new. If you want to create any files, if you want to upload any new file, here I have created the suggested, but you can also upload any file from here. You can also upload a folder too. For example, I am uploading any file from there. I have uploaded this one. Okay, I have uploaded this file. So this was about files. And if you want to give assignment to your learners, as you can see that I have added some assignment there. It shows how many assignment I have returned. So how you will create assignment? Just click on assignments, click on create. Are you going to create assignment? Are you going to create quiz? Okay, for example, if I am going to create quiz, then I will click on the quiz, and if I am taking some quiz from the existing one, then you will click on the existing and assignment, then you can give assignment from when you click on the quiz, it will open the forms, and it is exactly the form application, how you use the form. And I will suggest you to watch my video about forms, how we can create the forms. And the new quiz, click on the new quiz, give the title. For example, it is a CS quiz. Okay, add new, what do you want? And for example, I want to ask what is noun. Okay, and I'm just going to assign this. I'm not going to discuss in detail because I have already discussed the forms uh, in very detail. How to create form, then you should go to the form video, and after completing this form, assign to I'm going to assign this to induction training. Okay, there may be any other group too, and either you are going to individual student or a group. I'm going to all the students, and due date is 16th September. Okay, you can also change, and if you want to add this to the students calendar, then you can click on students only, students and me, student team owners. Then this will be appear in the assignment calendar of your students and teachers, etc. Okay, when you create your assignment, just click on assign, and this will be automatically assigned to every student, and they will be able to access that. This was of course if you want to give assignment to them. For example, any assignment, give a title, write a note about use of AI in education. Okay, for example, this is a, if you want to give some instruction, then you can give here. And if you want to attach any paper, then you can attach from here points. For example, you are conducting it for the 5 point, and if you want to add rubric, you can also assign where you are going to assign this, and these are exactly the same. And I just click on assign, and the assignment will be assigned to everyone. So this was about assignment, this was about a team. But now how we can join and how we can create a team. But when we I hope when you listened about the team, and I think you would be told that the team is a video conference software that it allow to conduct conferences, to manage video calls, just like WhatsApp, just like Zoom, etc. Then how we can conduct conferences, conduct meetings, or conduct our classes. So the first thing is that, for example, if you are calling a video class, then you will click on your team, and in the team you will just call a meeting, just click on the meeting. But if you want to arrange any meeting, and for that you haven't created any class, and you are first time going to organize any conference for 2 or 3 hours, for 1 day, or for a month, for which you are not going to create any team, then you should go to calendar, and in the calendar actually everything have everyone have added me. For example, I'm created team, and the timing is Islamabad because I'm there, and allow forwarding. I want to allow everyone to be forwarding because this is a conference, and there is no registration required. And if for example, if you are going to conduct any conference where you want to receive payments, then you can restrict with registration, add a title. For example, we are conducting a conference, use of team in education. Okay, if you with whom you are going to conduct this meeting, it is not necessary to add some anyone, and if you want to add, then you can add there. For example, I'm writing any name here, it will be appeared. I'm going to add that. Okay, and the time you can set, do you want to repeat it every day, daily, etc. You can set it from there. Add channel, is there any channel, because you have different groups, you have different teams, and if you want to add this to a particular channel, to a particular group, then uh, 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 this will be shared with a particular channel. For example, in my school I'm going to share this with my discipline committee. Okay, and if you want to add something, then you can add here. After that, you just click on send and it will be sent to everyone. So this is the meeting which have been created. Click on that, you can edit it, you can join this, and if you want to share the link, then you just click on this link to copy it and forward this link to your friends, to your colleagues, with whom you want to be a part of this this call. For example, I'm going to join this call, that what type of setting we can do. If you are going to join any meeting, at the start I will suggest to put your mic off, your video off, and after that you should click on the join. The meeting will be initiated, and it is initiated now. I'm the one member there because I haven't added anyone there, and this is a member. And if you want to manage the permission of this team, if you want to do the setting of this team, then you will click on the member, click on the ellipses of the people, click on the manage permission, and this will be open where you can manage. Who can bypass the lobby? People in my organization, or the people who are having your organizational ID, everyone. You can set any setting which you want. Always let color bypass the lobby, no or yes. It is on you. And announce when colors join our meeting. When someone join or leave a meeting, a sound will be created. Who can present? Anyone or only me, etc. At the start I will suggest to be click on the only me if you are going to be present, and after that you should allow some people. But if you know the presenter of the people, then you should click on the specific people and you should add the people whom you want to be present in that. For example, I have added this one. Okay, and allow mic for attendee. Yes, they will speak, so I'm going to allow the mic. Allow camera for attendees. If you want to allow them and their cameras, then you can allow, and you can allow chats, and you can allow reactions. That, and after that you will click just on save button, and this setting will be saved, and this will be applied to everyone. This is a chat where you can chat with your teachers, your team members, and the ellipsis button show different type of setting. For example, show devices setting. If you are not having your mouse, your mic is not working, then you can set it from here. Show meeting notes, show meeting details, enter full screen, gallery, etc. These are some settings. And if you want to record this, then you can also record, and you can also end a meeting, okay, etc. And if you want to raise hand during the meeting, then you can also raise your hand. And if you want to share something on the screen you are presenting, and you want to present something here, then you will click on this share button. And there are different things which I have been sharing with my teams, with my teacher, particularly the PowerPoint slides. In this time I'm clicking on the desktop, and it will show either you are sharing the full screen, will you share any particular window. At this time this window is running, and the second one is the team, which is a folder one. And in the Chrome tab, two tabs are actually there. Then which tab you are going to share. So the benefit with the team is that you can share any particular window, and your colleagues, the people, the member of this meeting will be able to access only this particular window. They will not be able to see your desktop or whatever you are doing on the desktop. So this is a very beautiful facility which is provided by the member. And after that, once you select this one, you just click on the share, and your screen will be shared with your friends. Okay, I'm going to end this meeting, and because I'm simply covering this, I'm going to give you in any introductory session. This is an introductory session about the team, that how we can use that. For detail, I will upload the related way to use, the related challenges in the team in the later videos. And this is the assignment which I have already discussed, that how we create our assignments. For example, create assignment, quiz, and there will be different classes here, because at that time I'm an assignment, I'm not in a particular team. So you will select a team, and after that you will assign a assignment to them. And calendar, I told you about the calendar. We discussed the calendar, that we use the calendar to check our schedule, that where we have meeting, or if you are going to create any new meeting there, you can instantly create any meeting there, and you can copy a link and share with your friends. The next thing is the calls. If you want to instantly call to someone, click on the call. And if you want to add something, some people there, for example 2 or 3 people, then you can create a new group. Or if you want to call any one person only, then you just click, search the person, and click on add, and click on call. Okay, the call will be directed. So I think this was helpful to you. Let's repeat that what is team. Team is actually a collaborative application developed by Microsoft, and it is especially designed for educational and team management purposes. It facilitates you a number of ways. For example, it empowers you in managing your staff. It empowers you in managing your learners, to engage your learner in classes, to make their attendance easy, to give some assignment to them, to give some quizzes to them, and the team will automatically manage all these things. On the left side you can see some icons. This is the activity icon, that what are going on at this time. Chat, if you are part of any chat, or if you receive any message, it is just like a message. Team, how many teams you have created, or you are a part of the teams. This will be shown here. If you are going to assign assignment, or any assignment is assigned to you, then this will be shown from here. This is a calendar where you schedule meetings, or check your calendar that if you are added to the some meeting. And similarly, this is a calls option where you can create calls. So thank you so much for watching this video about the team. And as we discussed, that the team is a powerful application. It is a magic change, it is a magic reform in managing the organizations and your classes. And I hope that you will explore this further, that how you can use this in your organization. If you have some ideas that how you are going to use this team in your organization, then please share your ideas in the comment section, so that we can collaborate with each other. Thank you so much for watching, guys.